This your boyfriend's house is so... Oh Grace, look at this money.
This is
huge. Oh my God.
My goodness.
How?
Oh shit.
Babe, look at this one on your leg. Look at another one that's on your leg.
Oh my goodness.
God, this money is so huge.
Wow.
Jesus Christ. Arrange this money. Arrange it.
Goodness.
Oh
This is hard currency.
This money is too much.
This is huge. Oh,
babe. Your boyfriend has a lot of money.
Honestly, I never knew he's so well to do. Look at my goodness.
Hey, babe, you're so lucky. Look at this amount of...
I never knew I'm this lucky.
This money is obviously more than 10,000. What am I saying? 10,000. This should be about $30,000 to $40,000.
Honestly, just look. I never knew he keeps such amount of money inside his house. My goodness, can I have this one, please?
Okay.
I never knew my boyfriend is this rich.
Serious?
And every time he tells me he doesn't have money, You can imagine.
You know men, they're always planning for your future.
My goodness.
This money is so huge.
You know what? I will have to keep this money for him. Oh, Jesus.
What are you doing?
Keeping this money with me. You know, he's very rich. For someone to have this kind of money in his house, it shows that he's very, very rich.
So what are you planning to do now?
I'll take this one, of course. He's my boyfriend now, so...
No, now let's give him back this money. What are you saying? You want to take this money? This money is too much. And babe, this money is too much. Give it back to him. He's in the house.
Even though he's in the house, of course, I'm sure he forgot. You see the way he left it.
Okay, will you tell him later that you took the money?
Why will I tell him? I kept this money to myself. After all, I'm dating a rich guy here. I should flex the money, you know. All this while I've been asking him for money. Do you know my boyfriend has not even given me 500,000 naira before?
No.
And I see this kind of...
Is that why you want to steal from him?
Why not?
So do you know that this is stealing?
I don't understand. This is my boyfriend's house. I'm keeping the money for him. So please, stop.
Babe, this is not nice. So I know what I'm saying.
You just said with your own mouth that my boyfriend is well-to-do. So please, allow me to enjoy myself while it lasts. Please.
Babe,
I can't afford to take chances. Please, stop.
This money is too much for you to take.
You see,
Good day, sir.
Baby, the love of my life.
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Hi.
Oh, baby.
Hello.
Hi.
Are you...
She's actually my friend.
Oh, your friend?
Yes, baby. You know what? Something came up, so we're actually going. Yes, we are leaving.
Why? You
Mary,
just got
stand
here.
Mary, stand up. Let's go, please.
Babe, you just got here now.
Honey, you know what? Something came up.
Is it because I took time before coming out?
No. Oh, right? Something came up, right?
Really?
Yes, something came up now, honey.
I prepared something for you.
Mary, are you still standing? Let's go.
So soon?
Let's go now, baby.
But what about my money?
I don't understand. Money? Mary, did you see any money? No, you didn't see. Baby, what money are you talking about? Did you see any money? No.
So
There's no money.
You didn't take my money?
There is no money, right? No money, no. Yes, no.
Wow.
What money are you talking about, baby?
Wow.
Baby, let's just go. Where we're going is so important. Let's go.
Merits.
Brother,
Wow.
I told you so.
I didn't believe she would fall for it.
I told you so. Immediately you said you wanted to settle with her. I said we should put her through her chest, and this is it. I told you. She's a pickpocket. Yeah. Pretty pickpocket.
What's going on here? Can someone...
I actually started to catch feelings for you, and I wanted to take our relationship to another level. I wanted us to get more serious with each other because I was actually seriously falling for you. And then I told my cousin here about you, and it happened that she already knew who you were.
Oh, Jesus.
Yes. Merit is my cousin.
Oh my God.
Lillian.
Oh, how?
Lillian,
I never knew.
I've always known you for this. And immediately my cousin spoke to me about you, showing your pictures to me. it made me realize. I just realized that yes, this is this person, but I felt like maybe she's changed or something.
I just said we should just give you a chance.
Do you
know, maybe you're a different person now.
I asked for a test and hey, it played out. So
anyway, I guess it's in here, right?
Why didn't
we're
you tell
down
me?
here, brother. Your money.
Jeez.
It's inside.
Oh.
Take up
It's unfortunate.
everything.
It's unfortunate.
I'm sorry.
Mary, you betrayed me. I was supposed to be your friend.
The only person who betrayed anybody here is you.
You did.
You betrayed me and betrayed yourself. Take your bag. Please, use
Pretty little
little
house.
You're supposed to remind him.
Pretty little what? Thief.
But I told you I was
Leave
keeping
my
the
house.
money for
Leave
him.
the house.
Baby, I was keeping
I think she wants to handle her.
Please.
Leave the house.
Don't go before it gets really bad for you.
Would you leave now?
Baby, please now. We can settle this, you know.
Leon, I don't want to repeat myself.
Like,
oh my god, brother, I told you so. I told you. She was a pickpocket and I thought she changed when you said you were with her, and I was so surprised that you've not lost anything ever since you were around her.
I've actually lost a few things. I just didn't want to.
Obviously, I knew it. She can never stop.
It's okay.
I know how you'll be feeling right now. I just want you to calm down. I don't want you to take it to heart. It's
okay.
just not for you.
I'll get over it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, she was pretty little thief. Brother.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye bye.